me up a couple days ago, and he's like, "Look, my presses are empty. All my workers got COVID, and I got to get these orders out in the next couple days. So I haven't actually worked on presses in 5 years, probably." So he called me up and he's like, "Can you help me out?" I said, "You bet, I'll come in." So I'm letting you see my current situation right here. Seeing what we're doing. So what I'm doing is I'm just printing t-shirts. I'm working at a place called Westpro. It's an embroidery and t-shirt printing. We do hoodies, everything here. So, like I said, I'm working a long time. It's really fun. I forgot a lot of things, but I'm remembering them again. It's just fun to be back on the presses, you know, feeling part of the group that I used to be in when we worked here. So yeah, this COVID thing's really messing with a lot of companies. This company, for example, normally running full time, but then when COVID hit, they lost a bunch of their orders, couldn't get their goods from China anymore, and so they ended up slowing down, which was really bad. So this is my sticky situation for today. And I'm just really thankful for the chance to be able to work, to be able to help friends out when they need to have that option in my life. I'm just so thankful for everything that I get to do, and just the many skills and things that I'm able to work with. All right, looks like I'm just finishing my out of retirement job. Looks like everything went pretty good. It was fun to be back on the presses again and to try to remember how to do that, what was going on, how it was. So yeah, just a reminder with this COVID stuff, do what you can to help others out, especially helping out like these mom and pop style businesses, your local businesses. I've seen so many of them hurting so much because of that, and how many I've seen closing down because they couldn't get their businesses, or because they lost their workers, because they just couldn't support them, and then they got sick, and just so many things happened. So, you know, look out for each other, take care of each other. And just remember, stick with it. You got this. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click down below. And if you have any comments about anything, what I was doing, or just wondering what's up, just leave a comment down in the comment section. And stick around for the next video. Thanks.